Welcome back. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
I'm David.
And I'm Emma.
This is part 2 of our episode.
Breakfast time.
In part 1, we learned many breakfast words.
Today, we will learn even more.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Talking about favorite breakfasts.
David, what is your favorite breakfast?
I love pancakes.
Really?
Yes,
With syrup?
of course.
Do you like butter, too?
Yes, a little butter.
That sounds delicious.
What is your favorite breakfast?
I like oatmeal.
Every morning?
Almost every morning.
Why?
It is healthy.
Do you add fruit?
Yes.
What fruit?
Bananas.
Anything else?
Blueberries.
Very nice.
Sometimes I add honey.
Yummy. At the breakfast table. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
Would you like tea?
Yes, please.
Sugar?
Just a little.
Milk?
No milk.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Vocabulary practice. Repeat after us. Plate.
Plate.
Cup.
Cup.
Fork.
Fork.
Knife.
Knife.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Napkin.
Napkin.
Table.
Table.
Chair.
Chair.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Useful sentences. I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
This is delicious.
I like this.
Can I have more?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please pass the butter.
Here you are.
Listening practice.
Listen carefully.
I eat eggs and toast every morning.
One more time.
I eat eggs and toast every morning.
Now repeat.
Basket.
Eggs.
Excellent.
Next sentence.
I drink orange juice.
Again.
I drink orange juice. Basket.
Very good.
I like hot coffee. Basket.
Great job.
My breakfast is healthy. Basket.
Excellent.
Mini conversation.
What are you eating?
I'm eating cereal.
Is it good?
Yes.
Do you like milk?
Yes.
Cold milk?
Yes.
Do you eat fruit?
Every day.
Wonderful.
Pronunciation practice. Repeat slowly. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Orange juice.
Orange juice.
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
Healthy breakfast.
Healthy breakfast.
Quiz time. Question 1. What do we drink? A. Coffee. B. Chair.
The answer is coffee.
Question 2. Which is a fruit? A. Banana. B. Fork.
Banana.
Question 3. Which meal comes in the morning? A. Breakfast. B. Dinner.
Breakfast.
Everyday expressions. I'm ready.
Let's eat.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Listener challenge.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. What do you eat for breakfast? Basket. What do you drink? Basket. What is your favorite fruit? Basket. Can you answer in English? Great.
Today's review. Today we learned pancakes, oatmeal, honey, plate, spoon, cup, napkin, kitchen, delicious, and healthy. Excellent work. Goodbye.
You did a wonderful job today.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak English a little every morning.
Small practice makes big progress.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like, subscribe, and share our podcast with your friends.
join us for
Episode 5.
Until next time.
Keep smiling.
Keep learning. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Goodbye.